How we made more than 4,000 USD during the last 2 trading days, let's discuss in today's video, because we had 2 completely different trading days. We had first day, it is Tuesday, where we took only 5 trades with a win rate 80%. And from other side, we have another Wednesday when we took so many trades and we had only 10% win rate. And I would like to share with you my thoughts and emotions and how to make even better trades in the future. First, let's discuss with a Tuesday. As you can see, we took not so much trades. It was really perfect day. Why I say this day was a perfect? Because I had only 1 trade which hit break even. It was a perfect trending day, and honestly I love such days. Let me show it to you how it looks like. It is exactly my screenshots from my executions, and you can see here when this day started, you can see one thing. When I start my session, I always write some preparation and write what exactly I would like to do, because it helps me to avoid some losses and avoid some mistakes. You can see what I did there. When session started, my plan for a start was to take breakout, to take continue of this uptrend. Main reason because I saw this VWAP deviation, and when we have beautiful trend, often VWAP become powerful support resistance. And my major goal was to find a place where to take trade for continue. And what I did, I took a trade. First trade I took here when breakup had happened, and after that I added a few contracts. As you can see, I added few contracts when price continue rising, because often during beautiful trend day, price can accelerate a lot, and I love to add volume when price follow into my favor. Honestly, on this trade I was super lucky because price was so close to my stop loss. In the end, it hit my take profit. I made really beautiful money. What I did, after that I closed part of my position. After that I saw that the price create beautiful consolidation, and with bigger chance up move would continue, and I again added volume. And after that, you can see here I closed my entire position. That's example for you. Follow the trend until it breaks. And it was exactly this execution. After that, you can see again, when price again retested the local key zone, again I took entry for continue. After that, when price broke another level, what I did, I took entry for breakout, as I did here, added volume, but that idea didn't play out, and you can see they hit my break even. And after that, when they took this range low, again I took volume, and you can see, and after that again I took beautiful long trade. That's example for you. When you have a beautiful uptrend or downtrend, follow it until it breaks. That's it. Zero short ideas. And honestly, I'm so happy that I didn't try to take any short trade. And after this day, I was so happy because emotionally for me, it was so easy to trade, because I would say I did nearly 0 mistakes. Like, I would say I execute my plan with 80% accuracy, because there was few mistakes here. I didn't add entire volume because I trade 3 contracts. I took only 1 contract. That was only 1 mistake which I did during that time. What about another day? Let's discuss another day and what mistakes I did, because remember, the most important for us is to learn our mistakes, because mistakes, that's the moment when we truly learn what to do the next day. It was exactly this one, Wednesday 23, where I made 1,562 USD. Honestly, it was the hardest trading sessions that I ever had. First, we did live session with ATAS, and honestly, most of my stop losses was exactly during live session, and I had 0 win rate during my live session. Second, only a few good short trades covered all my losses, and let me show you all of them. Before, remind to you that you can join our education program. There would be a link in description where we will help you to learn what's order flow, what strategies better to use for trend market, for range market, what indicators better to use, how to execute your trades, how to work with statistics service, how to actually become profitable. If you need personal help, below this video there would be special form. Fill it, speak with my team, they will show you more details, and join. What about another day? It was exactly a live session with ATAS. And what was my plan here? Let me show you also my plan when I started. You can see when we started, my major idea was that the bigger chance price would continue this uprise and take some of these key levels. You can see always before I start session, I analyze bigger time frame, because only bigger time frame helps me understand what's going on and what I should do the next. And you can see here my major plan was to continue this uptrend, because I understood only in a case of structure change they could go down and take this gap. When they started this session opening exactly here, my major plan was in a case of some stop loss hunt to take entry for continue. And that was what I actually did. You can see exactly here. Price did this beautiful pullback, but what's the main problem? You can see this blue, it means I took long, red, it is stop loss. Price hit exactly my stop loss, and after that this massive movement had happened. And for me it was really sad, because it's really difficult when you start your session and the price after that move into your favor. And you can see this trade exactly here, because I trade on two accounts. Altogether I lost on this trade 60 plus. Altogether I lost on this trade, as you can see, 90 USD, because I trade on two accounts. I trade on my personal and on prop account. Because of that, you can see exactly here this execution. What after that? After that, when NQ reached important resistance, which was here, it was important key level. Here I started thinking about potential reversal, because price was really at key levels. Price did significant rise for several days in a row, and often price create a pullback or rotation after something like that. And what I did, I started looking for short ideas, and I did few mistakes, because I tried to trade breakdown. You can see when price, there was important VWAP deviation, and price, you can see I tried to take a breakdown, and there was some news from Mr. Trump, and I received, as you can see, 3 stop losses. That was really painful, because here I lost because there was additional stop loss hunt. Here, as you can see, I reopened a trade several times. If I would reopen here, I would make super beautiful profit, because price moved up here maybe 700 ticks. But here you can see I took too many stop losses. After that, again, I thought after this several stop loss hunt, I thought again that price would break through, and still again I received additional 2 stop losses. After that, I tried, after breakout from this value, I tried to take long, and you can see again they failed to take that long. And after that I took some break, because here I didn't want to trade, because for me it was difficult, because I received only so many stop losses and break evens. And after that, when I saw that finally price broke important key levels, I tried to take short, and again I took short, and again they hit my stop loss. After that, again when they create local range and broke below key levels, I again opened sell, and they again hit my stop loss, and only after that moved into my favor. And after that, again they broke below key level, and again I tried to take short, and again they hit my stop loss, and after that moved into my favor. 3 times in a row they hit my stop loss and move into my direction. What this stuff must teach you. At this moment, honestly, I am thinking about different entry point, because such aggressive entry point, in some cases it's not good, because it was too many stop losses. Honestly, I was so exhausted after this day. After that, finally, when price took this high, I took short, only second time, by the way. And this short covered all these losses, because I took short. When price moved into my favor, I added volume, and after that again added volume, and after that you can see here I started closing. That's example for you why I allow indexes, because you can be wrong several times, and still, if you identify trend correctly, you still could make significant profits. And you can see based my start, you can see these 2 trades, 2 last trades, they covered all my losses, because each trade, it is for different account. It means you must calculate these trades together, because it is on another account, and you can see here they made beautiful profit for us. They made beautiful profit for us, but my friends, honestly, I was so exhausted after this day, and I wish to have only days like this when I had only several profitable trades, as it was here on Tuesday, where I had several profitable trades, but they're just beautiful. What should you do right now? Remind you to join our education program if you're interested in learning real strategies that really works. And right now you can watch video lesson about my other trades that I took, where I share additional secrets that will help you understand indexes better and make money on it.